Hi guys, today I'll be telling you how to make a rubber band gun. All you will need is one rubber band just like this, or a regular rubber band like that, and your hands. Okay, the first step you want to do is grab a rubber band. The smaller the rubber band, the more powerful it will be, so one like this would be great. And then you want to put it on your finger, on your pinky finger just like that. And then you want to bend it, and then you want to stretch it out and bring it around your thumb and then hook it on your finger like that. And then to fire, all you need to do is let go of that finger like that. But if you have a bigger rubber band like this, they don't go as fast. So what you might need to do is twist it like that and then bring it together so it's smaller, and then do the steps again. And that's how to make a rubber band gun with your hands. Stay tuned for some trick shots.